Hello, future designers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sughra NIFT alumni, and your design mentor. Guys, GK is one of the most important part for your NIFT examination, and total 15 questions comes in your GK part. Okay, so today I am going to cover one of the most important topic for your GK, which is fashion brand. Okay, now today we'll be decoding some of the brands, and also I'll be asking questions, and we by giving options for each of the question, and we will decode which is the correct option, and if it is correct, why, what is the reason behind this, the correct option. So let's start. Who is regarded as the father of haute couture? Options are Coco Chanel, Charles Frederick Worth, Christian Dior, or Yves Saint Laurent. Now let's see the important terms which is asking here. Father of haute couture. Okay, this is the terminology, right? And these are the options: A. Coco Chanel, B. Charles Frederick Worth, C. Christian Dior, or Yves Saint Laurent. Okay. So the correct answer is Charles Frederick Worth. Charles Frederick Worth is regarded as the father of haute couture. So the correct option is B option. Okay, and why Charles Frederick Worth is regarded as a father of haute couture? वो देखते हैं. So Charles Frederick Worth is known as a father of haute couture. He was an English fashion designer who established the House of Worth in Paris in 1858. Worth changed the way people thought about dressmaking by making dressmakers fashion designers. He created one-of-a-kind design for wealthy clients and European royalty. Wealthy clients and European royalty. Guys, I would suggest you to, as we are going to the questions, and we are seeing the reason why this option is correct, right? The why part of it. I suggest you to write the key points in your, in your notebook. Okay, so one by one, when I'm talking about the question, and then I'll be explaining why is this option correct, just try to write it, है ना. So इसके साथ साथ आपका रिवीजन भी होता जाएगा. जैसे जैसे हम क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, आप ऑप्शंस लिखेंगे और आपका रिवीजन भी होता जाएगा. Use live models. Worth was the first to use live models to promote his design instead of fashion dolls. Okay, so यहाँ पर भी एक point है जो हम ले सकते हैं कि Worth was the first one, the one to use to promote the live models instead of using the fashion dolls. Worth sewed branded labels into his clothing, created a society meeting point. Worth Saloon was a place where clients could consult with him and have fittings. Worth's design influenced the shape of fashionable silhouettes. Okay, so these are the terminology. पहली चीज मिल गई हमें. अगर suppose क्वेश्चन ऐसे नहीं आता है who is regarded as one of the as a father of haute couture, पर क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है. Who was the first one to promote models instead of fashion dolls into his design drum walks. Okay, so उसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Charles Frederick Worth. Okay, the correct answer will be that. So अगर हम पैराग्राफ देखेंगे और रीजन देखेंगे तो हमें बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस और बहुत डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव आंसर्स के बारे में भी पता चलेगा. नेक्स्ट, the term prêt-à-porter in fashion refers to what? The term prêt-à-porter in fashion refers to what? Options are custom-made garments, ready-to-wear collections, C. Luxury bridal wear, or traditional clothing. Okay, and the correct option is ready-to-wear collection. ठीक है, prêt-à-porter का मतलब होता है ready-to-wear. तो option B सही हो गया. Now let's see the reason. Prêt-à-porter is a French term that refers to ready-to-wear clothing. Prêt-à-porter clothing is the opposite of haute couture, which is clothing that is custom made for a particular person. Prêt-à-porter clothing is more affordable and accessible than custom made clothing, and prêt-à-porter clothing can be purchased at boutique stores, department stores, and online platforms. ठीक है, तो ये custom made clothing नहीं होती है, right? This clothing is more affordable and accessible than a custom made clothing. ओके, यहाँ से ये पॉइंट भी हमें मिल जाता है। तो प्रेत अपॉटर का मतलब होता है रेडी टू वियर, ठीक है, रेडी टू वियर क्लोथिंग। तो इस तरीके से भी क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइम में। नेक्स्ट, which city is known as the fashion capital of the world? Option A, New York. Option B, Milan. Option C, Paris. And option D is London. Okay? Known as the fashion capital of the world. And the correct answer is Paris. So option C यहाँ पर correct है. Now let's see why. Paris is considered the fashion capital of the world. It has been a fashion center for over 3 centuries. Why Paris is the fashion capital of the world? Haute couture. Paris is the birthplace of haute couture. Okay, ये एक पॉइंट मिल गया. फैशन ब्रांड्स, पेरिस इज होम टू मेनी मेजर फ्रेंच फैशन ब्रांड्स इंक्लूडिंग Chanel, Dior and Louis Vuitton because of the fashion week that held in Paris. And Paris Fashion Week is one of the most anticipated fashion weeks in the world, right? So these are the few reasons why Paris is considered as the fashion capital of the world. Okay, so अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसे नहीं आता है कि विच सिटी इज नोन एज अ फैशन कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बट क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है. ओके, विच सिटी इज द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ haute couture और बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ वेरियस फैशन ब्रांड्स. ओके, देन योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी पेरिस. ठीक है, पेरिस विल बी अगेन करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अगर इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आएगा कि बर्थ प्लेस haute couture का क्या है ना, या कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जिसका बर्थ प्लेस जहां से फैशन ब्रांड स्टार्ट हुए हैं, बहुत सारे फैशन ब्रांड्स हैं, राइट? तो उसका आंसर भी पेरिस हो जाएगा. What does the term sustainable fashion focus on? यहाँ पर लिखा है sustainable. Okay, so guys, a lot of do this in examination, and that is the biggest mistake that we can do in the examination. We always read the question in hurry. I don't know why we are so much in hurry कि हम जब भी क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं ना, पूरा पार्ट नहीं पढ़ते. हम कभी कभार इतने जल्दी में क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम मैनेजमेंट इशू, कि हम कुछ वर्ड्स छोड़ देते हैं. तो जैसे यहाँ पर साफ क्वेश्चन में लिखा है, इट्स टोटली रिटन देयर, व्हाट डज द टर्म सस्टेनेबल फैशन फोकस ऑन. यहाँ पे सस्टेनेबल टर्मिनोलॉजी साफ दी है, तो हमें ध्यान में रखना है कि जो भी ऑप्शन होगा उसको सस्टेनेबल से ही रिलेटेड होना चाहिए, इको फ्रेंडली, राइट? आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जब भी आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहे हैं, ये तो बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है, 1 लाइन का है, कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं जो 2 से 3 लाइन के होंगे या 4 लाइन के होंगे. व्हाट यू कैन डू, जस्ट टेक आउट द टर्मिनोलॉजी. जैसे यहाँ से मैंने सस्टेनेबल निकाला है फैशन, आप वैसे ही अगर बहुत सारी टर्मिनोलॉजी है तो 3 3 4 4 टर्मिनोलॉजी निकाल सकते हैं, उनको सर्कल कर सकते हैं विद योर पेंसिल. ओके, एंड देन स्टार्ट सीइंग द ऑप्शन. Recycling and upcycling materials, using non-biodegradable fabrics, mass production of fast fashion, or avoiding traditional weaving techniques. Okay, these are the options. And the correct option is sustainable fashion is a term that describes the efforts of the fashion industry to reduce its environmental impact, protect workers, and uphold animal welfare. It also aims to create a more sustainable fashion industry in the long term. Environmental impact, reducing pollution and waste, cutting CO2 emissions, supporting biodiversity, using materials with a lower environmental impact like recycled fibers. ठीक है, तो हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या हो जाएगा? Recycling and upcycling materials. Okay, this will be our correct option. Next, name the Indian designer who popularized the revival of Banarasi weaves. Okay, अब यहाँ पर लिखा है revival of Banarasi weaves. इसको हम underline कर लेंगे. ऑप्शन है हमारे तरुण तहलानी, सब्यसाची मुखर्जी, option C Anita Dongre, and option D Ritu Kumar. Okay, now which one will be the correct option? Let's see. The correct answer is the beautiful Banarasi weaves is seeing a huge revival backed by India's best designers and the Indian government decision to support handlooms and the country's talented craftsmen. Okay. Varanasi, from where the Banaras weave comes, there was a time when no woman could think of her Diwali wardrobe or her trousseau without a Banarasi. Says by who? Designer Ritu Kumar. But then the motifs and patterns got too traditional for the younger generation. Okay. So The correct option will be Ritu Kumar. So the designer who popularized the revival of Banarasi weaves is Ritu Kumar. Okay. Which global brand is famous for its red soles on shoes? Red soles on shoes will be our next terminology to decode this question. Okay. And the option are Jimmy Choo, Manolo Blahnik, Christian Louboutin, and Gucci. Okay. The luxury shoe brand Christian Louboutin is famous for its red sole shoes. The brand's shoes are also known as red bottom shoes. यहाँ से हम मार्क कर लेंगे इसको red bottom shoes. Okay? Explanation: the French designer Christian Louboutin trademarked the red soles on his shoes. The red soles have become a signature feature of the brand, and the shoes are known for their sexy, edgy design and creativity. Okay, means using some out of the box ideas. Okay, जो आप यहाँ पे shoes पे देख सकते हैं. What is the significance of Pantone color of the year? 2025. Okay. इस साल के जो पेंटोन कलर है उसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? तो पहले तो ये समझना होगा कि इस साल का पेंटोन कलर है क्या. ओके. इस साल का जो पेंटोन कलर है वो है मोका म्यूज. ओके. मोका म्यूज इज द पेंटोन ट्रेंडिंग पेंटोन कलर ऑफ 2025. डिफाइंस, अब क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है ये देखते हैं. डिफाइंस ग्लोबल फैशन ट्रेंड्स एनुअली. बी रिप्रेजेंट द बेस्ट सेलिंग फैब्रिक शेड. C honors iconic fashion designers. And D highlights eco-friendly materials. Okay, highlights eco-friendly material. ठीक है, तो correct option will be, let's see. The Pantone color of the year is a color that Pantone selects each year to represent the global mood and the collective desire. Okay, the 2025 Pantone color of the year is Pantone 17-12-30 Mocha Muse, a rich warming brown hue. Significance: why? What is the significance of it? Comfort and wellness. So it decodes comfort and wellness. हमने कलर थ्योरी में पढ़ा है कि हर एक कलर कुछ ना कुछ डिपिक्ट करता है, right? There are cool colors, there are warm colors, and each cool and warm colors represent certain emotions. Mocha Muse is a color that evokes feeling of comfort, stability, and safety. It's a color that can help people unwind and thrive. Pantone's color of the year isn't just about aesthetics, it's about brands and manufacturers are prioritizing eco-friendly material. Okay, also a symbol of eco-friendliness. ठीक है, ठीक है, मीन्स जो अर्दी टोन है जैसे ग्रीन हो गया, ब्लू हो गया, है ना, ये सारे टोन, ब्राउन हो गया, राइट, तो ये उसी का ह्यू है, ये ब्राउन का ह्यू है. ठीक है, तो ये इको फ्रेंडली टोन हो गया. Mocha Muse represent a desire for connection and harmony. It's a color that can help people feel grounded, calm and emotionally healed. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ से हमारा आंसर मिल गया, prioritizing eco-friendly material. ठीक है, so option D is correct. Highlights eco-friendly material. इस साल का पेंटोन कलर है Mocha Muse. Okay, 17-12-30 पेंटोन नंबर है इसका. और ये हाईलाइट क्या करता है, इसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? इट हाईलाइट्स इको फ्रेंडली मटेरियल. एक तरीके से और ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, अगर इस तरीके से नहीं आएगा, ठीक है, ऐसे भी आ सकता है. सिमिलरली, वेरी सिंपली, व्हाट इज द पेंटोन कलर ऑफ ईयर 2025? आंसर वुड बी मोका म्यूज. ये आ सकता है, व्हाट डज पेंटोन कलर ऑफ द ईयर मोका म्यूज रिप्रेजेंट. ओके, तो काम, कंफर्ट एंड वेलनेस रिप्रेजेंट करता है ना, कामनेस, ग्राउंडेड और इमोशनली हील्ड ऑल्सो. ओके, which global fashion brand is famous for its monogram pattern? Okay, and the options are Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel and all of the above. कौन सा ऐसा ग्लोबल फैशन ब्रांड है जो कि फेमस है अपने मोनोग्राम पैटर्न के लिए? ओके, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा ये इमेज में, ये मोनोग्राम पैटर्न कहलाता है. ठीक है, ऑप्शन है Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel और all of the above. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Gucci are all global brands fashion known for their iconic monogram patterns. Explanation: Louis Vuitton, a French luxury fashion house founded in 1854 by Louis Vuitton. The brand is known for its iconic monogram pattern that is recognized worldwide. Chanel, a French luxury brand with an iconic monogram logo design. Gucci, an Italian brand known for its contemporary style and iconic monogram logo design. ठीक है, तो लुई विटॉन एक फ्रेंच लग्जरी फैशन ब्रांड हो गया, शनैल फ्रेंच लग्जरी ब्रांड हो गया, और गुची इटालियन ब्रांड हो गया। ये तीनों, ठीक है, ये दो फ्रेंच और एक इटालियन, ये तीनों ही कंटेम्प्ररी, ये तीनों ही मोनोग्राम का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको डिजाइन भी दिख रही होगी। तो हमारा ऑप्शन क्या सही हो जाएगा? डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव विल बी राइट ऑप्शन। What is the signature pattern of Burberry? Okay. Options are polka dots, Burberry check, and floral motifs or paisley. What is the signature pattern of Burberry? Now, this is your question, okay, and you have to tell me the right option in your the comment box. Okay, so do let me know the right option, okay, in the comment section. Okay. Thank you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and also let us know in the comment section on which topic you want us to make video next. Thank you and see you in the next video.